In today's IoT projects, plant manufacturers want to implement cloud-based value-added services like predictive maintenance, condition monitoring, or others. All these new services are based on information from the field devices. The question is, how can device manufacturers provide such relevant data that an edge gateway or a cloud application can make full use of it? Typically, a field device sends its I/O data via a real-time Ethernet protocol like Profinet or Ethernet IP to a PLC. For IoT, the field device ideally sends the relevant information via OPC UA or MQTT to an edge gateway or the cloud. With the netIOT interface solutions from Hilscher, device manufacturers can equip their device with industrial Ethernet protocol and at the same time OPC UA or MQTT. netIOT interface is a scalable solution for embedded designs which range from the flexible multiprotocol chip netX via the ready-to-solder netX chip carrier up to pluggable modules as a complete communication interface. With this set of products, device manufacturers always have the right solution for their use case. Most important, they can develop IoT-ready products and thus access new IoT markets. Second, they can equip existing netX-based designs with OPC UA by just changing the firmware. And third, device manufacturers can develop multi-protocol devices with an easy-to-use and easy-to-implement protocol-independent object interface. In any case, netIOT interface is always the right choice to bring IoT to the field level.